This is the history of the entire Earth. For a long time, there was no such thing as Earth. But that was until 4.6 billion years ago. Particles orbiting around the Sun regularly collided with each other, creating bigger and bigger particles, which made bigger and bigger particles until it made Earth. Now, Earth looked very different from the Earth we know now, as it lacked any life, or even an atmosphere. But over 200 million years, other small chunks of debris crashed into it. Luckily for us, these chunks of debris sometimes contained carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen that eventually created the ocean. Or kind of. The real ocean was created when super big asteroids crashed into Earth and created big dips in the ground. And eventually water started pooling up in these dips and it became the ocean. But it was toxic. And so the ocean couldn't support life yet. It was super acidic and contained heavy metals, which were toxic. But over time, sediment neutralized the acidic ocean, and the heavy metals in the water were pulled deep into Earth because of tectonic movement. Combined with Earth's new magnetic field, which was created by its liquid core, finally made Earth somewhat habitable. And because of this, life could emerge. And it all started with a piece of uranium. Or more like a huge deposit of them. You see, uranium's radiation actually created new materials, just like how it causes mutations in life today. And as these new materials combined with each other, they eventually created a basic form of life. And 3,560,000,000 years later, these organisms evolved into more complex forms of life, which included sponges. Yeah, that's it. But that's not the end. In about another 100 million years, plants emerged in the ocean, and animals finally emerged. One of these was the Dickinsonia, which is a soft-bodied animal which had no skeleton at all. Surprisingly, they grew about 1 meter in length. And over millions of years, plants and insects emerged on land, flourishing. Not long after this, animals with spines and lungs emerged from the water, eventually evolving into reptiles, dinosaurs, then mammals. Can you believe how incredibly fast that happened? But that's not the end. In the dinosaur age, mammals used to be small rats, but as time passed, they evolved into different species of monkeys, then humans. Groups of humans started living together, forming societies, and eventually cities. New inventions also allow us to be connected through the internet, and to be able to communicate to people all around the globe. And now we are here. 6.4 billion years since Earth's creation. And it just makes you ask, what lies ahead for humanity? Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like and subscribe.